Hi friends, it's Harry Neller, team member with DTO Customs, and I'm here to bring you our pick of the week with this custom-built 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. With clean, tasteful custom upgrades, I picked this Jeep for its style and rugged capabilities for off-roading. This Wrangler Rubicon has just 20,000 original miles and includes a list of custom upgrades, including 3.5-inch TerraFlex lip kit with Fox 2.0 shocks, 20-inch XD FMJ wheels, thin wall fenders, and custom steel bumpers. As a Rubicon, this Wrangler has the factory options including the Rock Track 4x4 system, Dana 44 heavy-duty axles, and electronic locking differentials for optimal off-road performance. We have a wide selection of more than 40 Wranglers in stock, ready for whatever frontier awaits you, street or trail. So check us out online or swing by our store to see more. And be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates of our inventory in your feed. Thanks for watching.